Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about statistics. The topic today is about probability. So now I want to show you how to answer. Suppose there is a 60% chance it will sunrise today and a 50% chance that it will sunrise tomorrow. Finally, there is a 30% chance that it does not sunrise either day. So they want to find this probability. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about Venn diagram. So we need to draw the figure in here. Let's say A, that is for today. B, that is for tomorrow. So we know that the chance to sunrise today that is about 60%. So BA, that is about 60%. And the second one, tomorrow, that is about 50%. And the last one, there is a 30% chance they don't sunrise for both of 2 days in here. So that means he is about A, he is about B, he is about nothing. We know that we have 30%, so that's this area in here. So we know that the sum of everything we have 100%. We need to find this area in here. That is about B of A and B in here. So that should be about 100%. We minus this one. And that is about 30%. And we know that we just answer for the question number 2, today and tomorrow. Now, sorry, today or tomorrow. This one, not the second. Now, we want to find the probability that it will sunrise today and tomorrow. So, for this one, that is about this area in here. So, we have the formula. So, we want to find this one that is about this one in here. We know this one that is about 70%. This one we have 60%. This one we have 50%. And now we can find the value of this one. And we have 40%. This is for question B. Now let's go to question C. About question number 3 in here. Sunrise today but not tomorrow. That means they want to find this area in here. So if we want to find the green one, we need to use about B8. We minus about this one because they don't provide this area in here. So B8 we have 60%. And this one we have 40%. So we have 20%. And the last one, we need to find probability that it either will sunrise today or tomorrow, but not both. That means we need to find the green area of B. Later that we sum another green of A. So that's why we can find the answer number 4 in here. So we sum 20% and 10%. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.